Hey guys, it's me, Juanito here, and today we're gonna show you about minions, the rest of room, McDonald's gold minions. We have Rubber Ducky, we have Bob, and the original minions, King Bob, Bubble Tape Minion, King Bob, King Minion, Bubble Tape Minion, Pilot Minion, Showtime Minion from Despicable Me 2. Well, Despicable Me 2 is really cool. We got male Minion there. And also, we have Hairdo Minion. And we have Karate Minions. Oh, exactly what to do. I gotta find a minion to number 26. This is all 8 minions toys. We're gonna find everywhere. So put it in this entry, and we have here and here and here and oops, sorry, and here and here and oh no, wait, sorry. So I got 2 gold minions toys. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. Sniffles and friends. Keep watching and keep playing. Keep eating the banana. Goodbye.